Hi, this is Stefan here from DSL Telecom, and today I'll be showing you on how you can set up your DSL Telecom UPS. Now, what does UPS stand for? It stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply Unit, and it's pretty much good for powering your Wi-Fi devices during times of load shedding. Now, when you buy yours, you'll receive this in the mail. Just simply open it up. You'll see your UPS inside. You'll see your multi-point connection cable. And you'll have 4 adapters as well. Just take out your UPS, and you'll see there's a power button, a charging indicator, a battery power indicator, a AC power indicator, and a low power indicator. Just quickly turn it on, and you'll see the battery status on the UPS will turn blue. Just put it down. Then grab your multi-pointed connection cable, and then take the end with just the one singular end, connect that to your output, you're going to need one of the adapters provided with the UPS, and then connect it to one of the multiple points on the cable. Go to the battery router, to the power input, connect it, power on your Wi-Fi router, and you'll see it's receiving power from the UPS. Now, if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.